Hello everybody, Melanie here from Mel's Inky Fingers, and today I am sharing the November 2021 class to go with you, and we are going to work with the Peaceful Cabin Stamp and Die Bundle that's part of the Peaceful Place product suite. So let's take a closer look. The Peaceful Place product suite can be found in the July to December 2021 mini catalog on page 36 and 37. Now, this product suite is all shades of gray and white with silver accents. It's just beautiful. And what I love about this is you can bring in pops of color with any other color that you like, and it's going to look amazing. So let's take a closer look at this stamp and die bundle. I think that it's hard to see the creativity that is built into this die set when you look at it in the catalog. So I thought I would give you a closer look because you can add this to your project kit, and I pay your tax and shipping when you do that. And that will save you, maybe about $7 on this particular bundle. So there are two of these cool sets that give you dies that cut out a shape, in this case the cabin and all the details. But if you want it to be a scene, you can put these two dies together, and when you run it through your Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine, you will get a piece that has accents on it that looks like this, where it's built into your landscape, which is very cool. But if you don't want it to be a landscape piece, you can just use your cabin. Now, the trees also do this. So you have two different options for creating landscape pieces with this. So the trees have your landscape piece that cut out your tree shape. But then if you want some detail in your trees, you can use this second die that you can just lay right in there, run it through your die cutting machine, and you will have some tree pieces that have the tree detail cut into them. So very cool, and you can't really see that when you look at them in the catalog. Then you also have dies that cut out many of your stamped images. So you have a little fox that cuts this out. The landscape cabin can cut your cabin stamp out, and your landscape tree die can cut out these big trees. So you can do that with either cardstock or a stamped image, which is really neat. Now, let's look at what comes in your kit. So this class kit is $34 and includes a product value of about $26 if you were to order all of this. So it's a nice value in your kit. And again, this is to do 8 projects, 2 each of 3 different card designs, a box, and an ornament, or you can use it as a gift card holder. So you will get your supplies to make your boxes, and I'm going to show you a neat way to make a large box. Then you will get your 6 card kits, and this is how they will come. All the pieces will be tucked inside the envelope. You will get a full spool of the gorgeous white organdy glitter ribbon, and hopefully you can see all the sparkle in this. It's so pretty. You can even color this if you wanted it to be different colors and make custom ribbon. You will get some of the smoky slate ribbon, and this is a little wider to go on one of the boxes. It's a nicer scale, but you can certainly use your glitter ribbon as well. And then you will get some of the subtle shimmer sequins. Now for paper, you are going to get a 1/4 pack of the specialty designer series paper called Peaceful Place. Now all of these papers have gorgeous silver accents on them, and hopefully you can see all of those with the lighting. Some of these pieces lend themselves to larger projects if you didn't want to use them on your cards, which gives you some creative options. This would be beautiful in a framed piece, or it would make an amazing scrapbook page. And then these sheets I love because if you cut them, you have a card front all ready for you. You just put it on your card front with a sentiment and your card is finished. And here's a second sheet that is that same design. Now, if you flip these patterns over, You get awesome grayscale patterns that work great for layering or for creating accents. These are light enough you could stamp right on them, which I love. This large buffalo check is awesome. And then you have some themed patterns. You will also get a 6x6 sheet of the awesome white velvet paper. So this is your kit. So let's take a quick peek at what you're going to make. So you will make 3 different card designs, 2 of each. This is beautiful. And this fun fold. Then you will make 1 large box and this ornament or gift card holder. And this does open. So registration will close on November 15th. There will be a link to register in the description of this video. Again, this class is $34 and there is shipping available for an additional fee if you would like your kit shipped to you. So I hope you join me for my November class to go. And remember, when you do 6 monthly class to go events, you will get a gift from me with your 6th kit. Now this will also come with a written PDF tutorial as well as a video tutorial showing you how to create all 8 of your projects, and I know you are going to enjoy creating with this. Thanks for peeking.